In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to crop an image in Illustrator quickly and correctly. Whether you're designing social media graphics, flyers, thumbnails, or professional layouts, knowing how to crop an image properly in Adobe Illustrator is an essential skill. The good news is that Illustrator makes this process very simple once you know where to look. So if you're ready to clean up your images and frame them perfectly inside your design, let's jump right in. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project and make sure the image you want to crop is already placed on your artboard. If you haven't added your image yet, you can go to File, then Place, and select your image from your computer. Once your image is visible on the artboard, click on it once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box appear around the image. This step is important because the crop option will only appear when the image itself is actively selected. With the image selected, look over to the Properties panel. If you don't see the Properties panel on your screen, you can enable it by going to Window in the top menu and clicking on Properties. Inside the Properties panel, you'll see a button labeled Crop Image. Go ahead and click on Crop Image. Illustrator may display a warning letting you know that cropping will embed the image. This simply means the image will no longer be linked to the original file on your computer. Click OK to continue. As soon as you click Crop Image, you'll notice a cropping frame appear around your image. This frame includes corner handles and side handles that you can drag to adjust the visible area. To crop the image, click and drag any of the corner handles inward to reduce the visible area proportionally. If you want to crop more precisely from the sides, you can drag the side handles individually. As you adjust the frame, everything outside the selected area will be removed once applied. Take your time here and position the crop exactly how you want it. You can also click and drag inside the crop area to reposition the image within the frame if needed. If you need even more precision, you can use the Control Bar or Properties panel to manually adjust the width, height, or position values of the crop area. This is especially useful if you're working with specific dimensions for print or digital layouts. Make sure the preview looks exactly the way you want before moving to the final step. Once you're happy with the crop area, go up to the top of your screen and click the Apply button. As soon as you click Apply, Illustrator will permanently crop the image to the selected area. The parts outside the crop frame will be removed, and your image will now fit perfectly within the boundaries you set. And that's it. That's how you crop an image in Illustrator quickly and easily. Select the image, click Crop Image in the Properties panel, drag the handles to adjust the crop area, and click Apply. It's a simple process, but it makes a big difference in keeping your designs clean and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.